Today we have entered into the third part of the video of the chapter called algebraic expression, where we have clearly understood how to multiply, how to subtract, how to divide, but we didn't do that. Now in this video I will be explaining all the sums because we all understood the basics. Small basic is there which I will explain you. Along with that I will clear the chapter today itself. So let's get into the chapter. So let's start with this question. So this is a question with various operators, means plus minus is there, variables are there, and the constants are also there. So how to do this one? So let us see. The question is this one. So first what I have to identify? I have to identify here. So brackets are there, means it's a complete unit, one term. First, because many are there, so you should not get confused. So whenever brackets are there, so that's a complete term, one complete term. Now what are the being left? This is being left, this is being left, and this is being left, and this is being left. So these two are different, plus sign is there, I told you, plus sign is there, so they become different terms. Now this is p minus, so they are two different. So this is different, this is different. No relation. So this one different. Now coming again minus this one, again minus this one. So these two are different. This one between these two minus is there, sir. These two are different. Now coming this one and this one, any sign is there between these two? From the starting it was different. Now between these two, any sign is so no sign is visible. So multiply. So multiply means they are together. So remove the border and make them together. Remove the border, make them together. Again a rhyming. Again plus this number, so again different. So this is one term. Again plus, so these two are different. So again a boundary. So again, no plus nothing, so it's a multiply, so again they are together. Remove the border. Understood? So should we do like this, border everyone will play? No, it's for the starting classes where you will understand how to make them different and what are the signs they do have, and where you have to multiply. If you have understood, if you have understood, then you can do it directly, because I will be doing after some time. So now p as it is, copy. No, nothing is there to multiply. This one is as it is, copy p minus q. But one thing is there. See, no problem, you write like this one. If nothing is there before the bracket, you write 1. Nothing is there before the bracket, you write 1. So here minus, or before the bracket 2p is there. Then multiply with 2p. You're finding it difficult, you extract this one and take out here. 2p is there, p minus q you have. So this one into this one and this one into this one, and sign it is having plus. So plus 2p into p. Now plus and minus is there. First you keep this minus as it is. This is having only 2, this is having only q, so it is 2p square, like terms multiply. Next this one q. So for that answer it will be, what is the sign here? Minus already there, so 2p square minus 2q. This one you have understood? This one you have understood? Yes sir, we have understood this one. So in the same way, if you will see this one, so plus 3, nothing to multiply, no bracket also, so that I will write 1. But here you have something, just like you have q is there and p minus q. So whenever this type of sums comes like this, so I usually extract them, because to do in the middle of them it's very difficult. I extract them somewhere in the right side or left side of the rough column, and I will do that process and keep the answer. Now again nothing is having the sign, nothing, no sign. So this one into this one, like this one, you know, this one into this one. So what is the sign it is having, sir? Plus sign is having, and he is also having plus sign. Okay, plus q plus p, plus there is no need to write anything. Okay, otherwise it will be too complicated. Okay, if minus is there, then you be careful with that one. So plus n, so q into p directly. Okay, now minus n as it is you keep. Now this one into this one, na? So again plus, minus you have written, na? Okay, so q into q, minus you have already copied, so now it is having nothing. For example, if it would have like this, see the difference. Now see, q, so this one into this one and this one into this one, so q into p, important. Okay, this one is important, right over here. Okay, next minus as it is have copied. Now q is plus, q is minus, because this is the minus I have written, but q is having minus sign, so q into minus q. See the difference, wait, I will erase this arrow. Should I erase this arrow? No sir, it's good. So I will make it a box. You see this one, you see, compare them, compare and make your base strong. Very important, small things are very important, will make a huge difference when you're doing the sum. Okay, so you understood the difference, what I'm trying to say, that q p plus sign, no need to do anything, minus I have copied, and these two plus, again plus. Sir, minus is having, you are thinking, but you see what is the difference between, so there are two minus between p and q, because this is the minus for says that you have to do subtraction, this is the minus which say you have to do subtraction, but this is the minus which says that q is a negative number. Q is a negative number, that is the difference. You see the difference between the answers. You see, this will be p into q, this will be q square, this one p into q, this will be, now when I am multiplying, okay, so everyone is multiplying, so multiply minus plus, okay, so q square. See the difference, answer will be same but the signs will be different, so we will lose the marks if I will doing this one in case of questions like this. Obviously minus sign and plus sign both are different, between just like a boy and a girl, they are both different or similar, so they are different. In the same way these two are also different, you should be very careful with the minus sign. Again I am saying, in the first video I said, second video I said, in third video also I am saying that minus is very important sign, it will decide your marks. Okay, copy this one, no? This not this one. Okay, so it is pq minus q square. Okay, after this what you will do now, this is also there to do. Okay, so extract that one. Extract means minus is there, here minus is there, before this is inside, na? Here minus means this is one term, so how much I have to extract, na? Between minus, so this one you extract. Okay, the two sides are houses, this is one house, this one, so the middle one I am having my, so extract that one is there. Okay, one is there, no need for minus plus, because there is a sign between these two, they are saying that this is the not, again I have to explain you. Okay, so minus is there, listen, and yeah, I am having one is there, p minus q, like this. Okay, one more thing is there, if the question is like this. Now both are same or different? So both are same. No, both are different. Why? Because in this case minus says that, just p is also there, write p minus, this says that there is a subtraction between these two, and this one also says that there is a subtraction between these two. But what about this minus? This one will say that the sign of one is minus. Okay, it's not operator, means we will not do subtraction, multiplication or division by using this one. This is a sign which will tell you that whether the number is a positive number or negative number, but this is a sign will tell you have to do subtraction. This is the sign which will tell you have to do subtraction. This is also you have to write, just like important you write and create a box and write different small difference. When I am doing the sum I will explain you all the sums. Okay, so now this one copy, solve this one. So one is there, p minus q. Okay, so this one into this one and this one into this one, so it will be 1 into p minus as it is. Now 1 into q, so it will be p minus q. Okay, so p as it is minus, so whole, instead of this one I will write p minus q. P minus q, p minus q. Do one thing, you change the sign this one to plus. Okay, so p minus q. Okay, okay, now minus 2p square minus 2q plus 3 plus pq minus q square. Clear? So anywhere you have the like terms, huh sir, pp. Okay, these two are like terms, and here q is there, and here also q is there, that much only. So now pp will be, so 2p and minus q minus c, minus q and minus 2q na, so minus minus plus, so 3q, sign will be of bigger number minus, so 1 na, 3q, so minus 3q. So this one done, now copy the remaining all things, p square plus 3 plus pq minus q square. So you are done with this sum. Some important sum was there. After this I have to explain something from the video number 2. So copy this one. After that I will explain again the some short thing which I have left in video number 2, and I will continue here. After that we will do the sums. Okay, one more thing. Okay, so instead of number will be there, minus 3 is there, minus x plus 2y. Okay, so from the first method, okay, which I used to follow, so minus so now I will explain you. Whenever any sign is there before the number, any sign is there before the number, it means this is not the sign which is saying that you have to do addition subtraction. It is a sign of the number, means how much is the number, you will say minus 3. But if I write here z, then you cannot say that the sign of the what is the number, minus 3, because it is the sign between two, one variable and one constant. So this is a minus sign which says that you have to subtract between these two. Then you cannot say that 3, what is the number, if I will ask, you cannot say minus 3, you have to say 3 only. But when it does not exist, then if I will say what is the number, you will say minus 3, because it is a only one term, it is a constant term. Clear? Very important, you note it down this one with a pen somewhere. Okay, give example and note it down. Wait, I will tell you, just like I will only write z minus 3. So here const constant term. Okay, term is this one. Okay, what you have to do, okay, what you have to do, you have to do subtra, subtraction. Okay, and what is the relationship between these two, this subtraction only. Okay, if I will say like this, then constant term is equal to minus 3. Here also minus 3 you can write constant term. Okay, and what you have to do, so nothing sir, only one thing is there. So this is the minus of the number, and this is the minus which says that you have to do subtraction. Okay, you can write this one. It's very important, very important. Okay, okay, now what I have to do, okay, again, so means bracket means a complete unit, a single unit. Whenever they say the bracket is a single unit, should not count it. Okay, single unit. So this single unit, okay, so they are one term, two terms, but with a sign multiply. So multiply is there in a single term, na, you said yes, it's not a different term, it's a single term. So what you have to do, minus 3 into this one and minus 3 into this one, hai na? That is the method. So first we will do with this one and with this one. Okay, whatever the signs it have. So minus 3 as it is, the bracket minus, now with this one again multiply and minus x. Okay, then what is the sign it have, plus sign. Now this one minus 3 into 2y plus sign, no problem, very easy. Okay, whenever minus sign is there, try to keep in the bracket. Okay, so now you multiply with this, multiply sign is there, na? So wherever it's a multiply sign but plus sign, so you have to stop it right here. Again plus and minus. Okay, done. So this is term. So minus plus 3 into x, 3x plus as it is, minus plus minus minus, 3 into 2 6y. Okay, again what I told you, it's already solved. One number should have one sign, okay, two signs. So 3x minus plus minus 6y. Before the number nothing is there, man, you can, if plus is there, no need to write. Okay, but if any number is there, then you have to write. Okay, otherwise the answer is done. Clear? Understood this one? The next one. Now we will do the same question with the plus method, the method number 2. Okay. Okay. Sir, we are okay with first method only. Okay, only one question I will explain you. After that, your wish which you are finding it easy. Okay. Again, there is a minus 3, na? From where I have written the question. Okay. So, minus 3. Here, before that any number is there? Before that anything is there? No, sir, it is not having anything. Before this, not having anything. So, whenever it is not having anything before them, no, do one thing. Minus now, you write minus 1 and 3. Bracket open. Here minus 1 and x plus 2y. So get confused. You follow one method only, okay, which I am explaining you, rather than this one. It will be more complicated to convert minus, where I have to convert. So two different topics, if I will explain two different methods, you will get confused, as this is a new topic for you. Okay, now instead of single term, you have two terms. You have to multiply. I'll show you that rather than speaking. Okay, so like 2a plus 3b, and here 5a minus 6b, like this. Then in this case, what you have to do? Sir, in this case, it's in the bracket. You said whenever it's in the bracket, it's a complete unit. So complete unit, one bracket, complete unit, another bracket. So what is the sign they do have between them? So this is a multiply sign. So what you have to do? So let us see. If this type of question comes, okay, where in this case only one term was outside and in the bracket there were two terms, it was very easy. This one into this one, this one into this one. Okay, but in this case you have two terms in one bracket and other two terms in another bracket. Then what you have to do? If one term is there with two terms, I have explained you how to do, but in this case what we have to do? So let us assume, if you're getting confused, so one thing, if instead of two terms, if I write only one term, you can do. Sir, we can do that one instead of two terms. But I will erase this one, I need a space, no? Okay. For example, this one is not there. For example, this is not there in this case. Then, so this one into this one, this one into this one. Right? Let me see what you are writing. 2a into 5a, minus sign is there. 2a into 6. Done. This much only. Okay, this much only. And for example, what I have written the question. The question was 3b, no? Okay. Now right again I am writing 3b. Now for example, this is not there. This is not there. Then sir, same thing, sir. This one into this one, this one into this one. Okay, right? So plus 3b into 5a, minus sign is there, plus minus minus, na? 3b into 6, 3b multiply 6. This one only. So that's what I was saying. Okay, 2a. So means what we are trying to do means, first I have assumed that 3b is not there. So this one into this one, this one into this one, then this one into this one, this one into this one. Same process. Okay, or you can write one more step before this. Before this you can write 2a 5a minus 6 plus 3b. So plus 3b bracket open 5a minus 6. So after that same thing will come. Okay, this is step number 1. Sorry, this is question step number 1, step number 2, and after that we will do the sum. So it will be 5 to the 10 a square minus 6 to the 12 a plus 5 3 the 15 ab minus 3 6 the 18 b. This is your answer. Okay, do we have any like terms right over here? Let me search. I have explained you like terms. Again it's coming. A square anywhere a square? No. A anywhere? No. So A is there, but A, B is there. They are not like them. A, B? No. B? No. So they are not matching. So this is your final answer. So this is your final answer in case of two terms. Understood? Okay. One more question I will give you, and I've explained you all the things that how a like term looks like. Before this, starting this one, I've explained you that how to pair up with the like terms, what does x, everything I've explained you, from the starting you're watching the video. Okay, so now if they say minus 2a plus 3b, okay, here 3a minus 2b, for example, like this if the question is there, or you write 5 here. Okay, this one having the minus plus minus, so you'll get your concept will be clear with this type of sums. Okay, so now simple again, bracket means single term, bracket means again single term, so we have two terms. Okay, now again this one into the whole thing. So what is now, this one is having some sign, minus is there, so minus 2a will multiply with the second bracket completely. Okay, this one is a plus sign, so plus 3b and the second bracket completely. Okay, now this one into this one, arrows, this one into this one, and this one into this one, this one into this one, this one into this one. This is the rule. Yes sir, this is the rule. So that is the rule. Okay, so we'll do according to that. Again, you see, this is a single term. Before that minus is there, no number we have, so what we can write, 2a is having a minus sign, the sign of the 2a is minus, but between this term and this term there is a multiply sign, means this is same terms, not different terms. So now this one into this one and this one into this one. Okay, so now I have to multiply this one first. So as it is, you copy minus 2a, wherever minus is there, keep in the bracket, and this one into, sir, 3a is there, no minus sign. Okay, closed. So again this one into this one, now minus sign is there, minus 2a, again minus 5b is there. Wait, this is the minus for this one. Okay, so minus 2a na, minus 2a, and this one is 5b, multiply sign. Okay, cube. Okay, now plus is the, plus means no, very easy, directly 3b into 3a plus only, plus minus minus only, so minus 3b into 5b, 3a, sorry, 3b into 5b. Okay, so it's clear for you. Whenever plus is there, directly you will do, not get confused, but minus sign slowly you will do, just like whenever we go just in a train. Okay, whenever any just like what we say, the bridge comes, what does the train do? It becomes slow. It's a danger. In the same way, whenever minus is there, slowly cross that minus, because small mistake will lose entire marks. So be careful with the minus. Okay, now again, so this is the minus for the, okay, multiply. So one term, minus is the mean they are separated. Okay, these are the minus of 2a, again one term, again one term, again one term. Why I am doing like this? So that you should not multiply this one together. Okay, they are different. So here minus plus minus, first you have to do sign, you have to multiply, sign is in starting now, so minus plus minus 2 3 just 6, a into a square, like this. Okay, first signs, so minus plus, sorry, minus plus, here the plus is there, minus plus and plus here, so plus only, 5 into 2 10, a into b, ab. Okay, next plus is there, so 9ab. Okay, and here minus is there, nothing is there, so minus 15b square. b into b square. Now any like terms, a square anywhere, a square is no, ab anywhere, ab is there. So these two are similar terms, like coefficient, b square nothing. So means you have to solve these two. Okay, how to solve? Minus 6a square as it is, these two are similar, so you take plus sign, both having plus sign, so plus 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 you have to do. So what is the numbers? 10 plus 9, like terms now, what are the numbers they have? Sir, plus 10 is there and here plus 9 is there, so it will be 19, plus 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 sign will be plus, so you are 19 with the variable ab, variable same, okay, no need to write 2 times ab, minus 15b square. You're done with your answer. Very easy. Okay, but wherever minus is there, okay, so just like slow off. Okay, slowly when your concept is clear, then you can move forward. Okay, chalo. So the next question is, subtract 4x square minus z square from the sum of 2x square plus 3y square minus 4z square and x square minus 2y square plus z square. Okay, this is the question. कुछ ज़्यादा ऊपर लिख दिया मैंने. Okay, no problem, I'll get the space to do the sum ना. Okay, so what we have to do? They are saying that subtract this value from the sum. Sum means, you understand, subtract means minus, sum means add. So sir, in a single question we will do subtraction and addition, possible? Why not? So what you have to subtract? Subtract this one from the sum. From the sum means what the sum you are going to get, from that you have to subtract this one. Okay, so means we have to do addition first. No, subtract this one. So for example, I'll make it very simple. See, subtra, subtract 10. Okay, from the sum of 5 and 12. So what do you have to do? Sir, this one we know, very easy. Subtract 10 from the sum of this one. Sir, we'll do this one addition. Just like 5 and 12. Sum is 5 and 12. So it will be 17. Sum is 17. And we got the sum. Then subtract now. Okay. So subtract. So it will be 17 minus 10. So it will be answer 7. This one, very easy question. So that was the question which I have given you. It is in this form. Okay, it was very simple. It is in this form. The question is same. It's not different. You just compare both the questions. Then you will find out that, okay, this is the process which we have to do. Okay, so this is a simple question which they have converted in this form. So that's what I was trying to explain you out. Okay, how to do this sum. So first you have to add these two. Whatever the answer you're going to get, you have to subtract it from this one. Sir, can you do this one for us? Okay. Okay, I will do this one. Solution. You have to find out the sum first. Okay. Sum is equal to 2x square plus 3y square minus 4z square. Sum na addition. Okay. Now there are two methods of doing the addition, that is by horizontal method and by column method. Okay, so I will do like this only. Okay, now this one I have written first. Okay, now below that I have to write that one. X square is there. You understand how to write? X square is there. Anywhere x square is there, sir. X square is there. So below that only you have to write like terms. So x square is having a plus sign. So x square. Next, minus 2y square. Y square is there. You see the variable only. Y square. Y square is also minus 2y square, below that only. Okay, and z square is a plus z square, below the plus z square. Now in case if I having 4x like this, so do I am having in the first one 4x anywhere? No. Then what I will do with that one? So leave some gap and write 4x, because no one is there here. So what you will write? You will write 0x here, matching. But in case if you have in this case, just like 7z is there, 7z is not there, so you will write 7z. Here nothing is there means 0z. Clear? Understood what I am trying to say? Understood? Okay, you write this question only, like this only, you add these values only, with this value we will do. Okay, so if nothing is there, in the second case you write, see here nothing was there, Z value was not there in the second case, so I have written 0. Here X value was not there in the first case, I have written 0. Clear? So now we have to do addition. Addition is very simple as compared to subtraction, because subtraction, when subtraction will come, we'll come to know what is subtraction. So here nothing is a 1, so 2 plus 1, 3x square, plus minus, you have to do 1y square, sign will be bigger number. Okay, so minus plus minus you have to do, so 3 1 2 3 4 and 1 is 3 z square, and sign will be bigger, plus you have to do, so 4x only, plus you have to do 7z only, 0 no use. So we got the sum. Now after getting the sum, you have to subtract this sum from this one. Okay, from they are saying is very important. From, whenever they say from, so right side will be, the value of this right side will be the top, then this one. Clear? So what I got from there, so this value, so this will be top minus this one. Okay, now subtract na, subtra, subtract. How much I have to subtract? 4x square. Where is x square? X square, x square. So 4x square. Now z square, where is z square? Here. So minus z square, so below that only write minus z square. So what about this one? So when they are not giving you anything, what I told you, write 0. So 0y square plus 0x plus 0z. So we cannot leave the gap. In the school they said to leave as it is in the gap. You can leave the gap, but by writing 0, it will be very easy for you for the calculation, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, plus, so you have to do subtraction. See, in case of subtraction, in case of addition, you are doing your writing and you are adding and you are subtracting whatever you are doing according to the question. But in case of subtraction, again minus is there, subtraction means minus. So second equation, this is the second equation, this is the first equation. So whatever the sign the second equation will have, will change its sign. So plus is having a, so minus, plus again minus, plus minus, plus minus. So all the signs will be changed. Okay, whatever the sign they do have. Okay, now I will see this sign, new signs, and this one already what are the sign, it is having the same signs, the same usual signs which first equation is having. I will see that one, but the second equation I will be seeing the new sign. So plus, here minus, plus minus I have to do, so it will be 1x square. The sign is bigger number is having 4, minus, so minus. Now again plus minus I have to do 0 no problem. Wherever 0 is there, leave that one. Okay, copy the same thing. Minus plus, so minus I have to do, so it will be 2. The sign will be z square, and sign will be a bigger number. Okay, so 1 or nothing means. Here 0 is there, so copy this one, 4x. Here also 0, copy this one, 0 no use. So this is your final answer. This is the answer. So subtract means this is the thing. You have to change everything. Addition means simply you will do. I told you minus. See, everywhere I am saying minus. Minus is, when minus comes, so be careful, otherwise all your answer will be wrong. This is the next question. The question is, what must be subtracted from this one to get this one? 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5 to get x cube minus 2x square plus 3. So this is the number which I am going to say. Okay. So how to do and what the meaning of the question is, this one you understand. They are saying that what must be subtracted means minus, we understood. Subtracted means minus we have to do. From where? From this one. From this one. For what? To get this value. Means how much must be subtracted from this one, so that we will get this answer. Understood? Okay. So again I'll try to make it simple. What must be subtracted from, instead of this one, the question is 50 to get 20. Now tell me, sir, what must be subtracted from 50 to get, so 30, sir. How you got the answer? How you got your answer? So 30, 50 minus 20, 50 minus 20 is your 30. That's what I'm trying to say. What must be subtracted or subtracted from this one to get this one means this one minus that one. Okay, for example, this one minus this one, you can do directly like that. So you can write 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5 subtracted, So first you copy this one, x cube minus 2x square according to like term plus 3. Now subtracted when I told you the signs will change. So this having plus sign, so minus, so plus sign, so minus sign is there, plus sign is there, minus sign. Now you do the sum, you get your answer. Or another way is there, another method is there. What must be subtracted from this one? I don't know how much it should be subtracted. For example, if it is like this, 3 so somewhat okay. So now what I will do, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5. From this how much I have to subtract, I don't know. They say how much you have to subtract from this one to get means equal to how much you'll get, x cube minus 2x square plus 3. Hai. So how much you have to subtract, I don't know. So let the number be subtracted be x, you'll write first. So minus x. So from here I have to subtract this one to get this one. Hai. This equation like this also you can do. So now ultimately this will go that side, this will come this side. So x is equal to so same thing, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5 minus x cube minus 2x square plus 3. You can solve this one method also. So which one you are finding it easy, you can use this method only. Okay, for me this is easy because you have to take, let the number be subtracted by x, then this one minus this one, but you understand the concept that how it's working. Okay, you understood this one. Now in case of subtracted, if it is, what number must be added? For example, same question, added to, not from, added to this one to get that one. Now this 50 will say, na, what might be added to this one? To this one means, you, for example, the question is here 30, here you have 50. What must be added to 30 to get 50? So 20, just like how you got 20? So again 50 minus 30, 20. So now in that case, so now this will be first. Hai. See this one. When it was subtracted, it was opposite. But when you have to add, so this one minus this one. So what how you will write, x cube minus 2x square plus 3, and this one you will write below 2x square, you will write minus 3x square, you will write plus 5, you will write. As it is a subtraction, so you have to change your sign with the second equation. So plus now minus, minus now plus, plus now minus. Done. Do the sum, you will get your answer. Do the sum, you will get your answer. Understood what you have to do in case of. Now what must be multiplied? Everything I will tell you. What must be multiplied? multipli, multiplied. What must be multiplied to this one to get that one? So 3 is there here, for example 6 is there. Okay, how much I have to multiply 3 to get that one? How much I have to multiply with the 3 to get this one? So 2, 3 to the 6. How you got the answer? So 6 divided by 3, so 2 sir. So means this one I will write in the top, divide by this one. So division we don't know. Just understand and keep what you have to do, because these all things are related to this one. When I am explaining this, I am trying to explain it all. So what number must be divided? For example, what must be divided? I will tell you that one also. So understood how to do. Okay.